Hello and welcome back. Today I will be showing you the types of paper that can be used for origami. But keep in mind that you don't need fancy paper in order to fold origami. A simple paper and your hands will do great. So let's get started. 10 by 10 centimeter paper, colored on both the sides, 70 GSM thickness. This paper works well for simpler models and less folds, as they are smaller in size. These are best for practicing multiple times. Tanned paper, 15 by 15 centimeter, colored on both the sides with 80 to 90 GSM thickness. These come in variety of colors. We will be creating flower, butterfly, fish, etc. from these papers. Tanned paper, 20 by 20 centimeter, colored on both the sides with 80 to 90 GSM thickness. Complex foldings will need bigger paper like these. Standard origami paper comes in variety of colors. On one side, white on the back. 15 by 15 centimeter, and these are 70 to 90 GSM. We will be using these for learning some basics of folding. Some papers have pattern on them and can be used for final folding. A4 sized, pattern on one side, colored on the other side. These are about 120 GSM. We might have to cut these sheets into a square for folding. A4 sized with pattern on one side, white on the other side. These papers come in scrapbook with a variety of pattern in a group of 30 sheets. Envelopes can be made out of these papers. A4 sized handmade pattern sheets. They have a rough texture compared to other papers and are quite easy to fold. Many more papers are available in the market that you might have to explore yourself. Finally, store your paper safely in a plastic or a box. See you in the next video.